Welcome back MH Car Review, and today, ladies and gentlemen, we are talking about something that is not just a vehicle, it is a moving palace. That we are talking about the 2026 Prevost Marathon Motorhome, and if you have never heard this name before, buckle up, because by the end of this video, you are going to understand exactly why this machine commands the kind of respect and the kind of price tag that it does. This is the pinnacle of road luxury, and we are going to break down every single detail for you. Today, the exterior, the interior, the performance, and yes, the price. So without any further delay, let us get straight into it. Starting from the outside, the 2026 Prevost Marathon Motorhome is an absolute statement on wheels. The moment you lay eyes on this coach, you instantly know that this is no ordinary motorhome. Built on the legendary Prevost H3-45 shell, the exterior stretches an imposing 45 feet in length, sitting on a wide-body platform that gives it a road presence unlike anything else you have ever seen on the highway. The designers at Motorcoach have taken the already rock-solid Prevost chassis and transformed it into something that looks like it belongs at a five-star hotel entrance rather than a campsite. The exterior paint finish on the 2026 model is available in a range of custom options, but the signature dark gunmetal black with gold accent trim is the one that truly stops people in their tracks. You get full-body paint with a deep gloss clear coat that is so well applied, you can see your own reflection from across the parking lot. The body lines are aggressive yet refined, sharp angles at the front fascia, a wide panoramic windshield that wraps beautifully around the corners, and LED lighting integrated all along the roofline and underneath the body, creating a floating light effect at night that is honestly breathtaking. The custom 22.5-inch polished black aluminum wheels are a custom fitment exclusive to the Marathon build, and they are finished to perfection. The exterior storage bays are massive, with polished stainless steel latches and spring-assisted doors that open silently and smoothly. This is a machine built with a precision that you simply do not find anywhere else on 4 or in this case, 6 wheels. Now stepping inside the 2026 Prevost Marathon, prepare yourself, because what Motorcoach has done with the interior of this motorhome is nothing short of extraordinary. The moment the air-operated entry door opens and you step up that illuminated staircase with its LED-lit treads and brushed stainless handrail, you are immediately struck by how this feels more like a private jet cabin than a vehicle. The entry welcomes you with book-matched walnut wood veneer panels, Italian marble flooring tiles, and a ceiling that features recessed LED lighting with a fiber optic starfield panel that sparkles like a sky full of stars above you. The main salon is a full-width living space with quilted cream leather sectional sofas, a custom solid wood coffee table, and an 85-inch 8K OLED television that retracts flush into the cabinetry when not in use. The slide-outs, of which there are multiple in the 2026 configuration, expand the interior width dramatically, giving you a living space that feels genuinely comparable to a luxury apartment. The galley kitchen is fitted with a professional Wolf range, a full-size Sub-Zero refrigerator, granite countertops, and custom lacquered cabinetry with soft close gold hardware. The built-in espresso machine and wine cooler are standard on every 2026 build. The master bedroom suite at the rear of the coach is a sanctuary. A king-size bed with a custom upholstered headboard, memory foam mattress, and 1,200 thread count Egyptian cotton linen sits beneath a fiber optic ceiling panel. The wardrobe space is generous and illuminated, and there is a flat-screen television integrated into the foot panel of the bed. The bathroom adjacent to the master is a full spa suite, Calacatta marble tiles floor to ceiling, a rainfall shower with body jets, a frameless glass enclosure, a floating vanity with vessel sink, and brushed gold grow-he fixtures throughout. Heated flooring is standard. This bathroom is better than most 5-star hotel rooms, and that is not an exaggeration. Controlling the entire interior environment is the Marathon Smart Coach system, their proprietary smart home integration panel that handles lighting scenes, climate zones, slide-out deployment, window shade control, entertainment, and security, all from a single touchscreen panel or via voice control. The Crestron automation system fitted as standard on the 2026 model gives you full wireless control through a dedicated app on your smartphone or tablet. Every single detail inside this coach has been hand-finished by Marathon's craftspeople in Coburg, Oregon, and the build quality is simply on another level. Moving to performance, the 2026 Prevost Marathon sits on the Prevost H3-45 platform, which is powered by a Volvo D13 diesel engine producing 500 horsepower and a massive 1,850 pound-feet of torque. That power is mated to a Volvo I-Shift automated manual gearbox that shifts smoothly and intelligently based on load and terrain. The air ride suspension system is fully independent at all axles, and the tag axle configuration at the rear helps distribute the weight of this luxury coach, which can tip the scales at over 60,000 pounds fully loaded across more contact points for a smoother, more stable ride. The result is a driving experience that is remarkably composed for a vehicle of this size and weight. The driver's cockpit is equipped with a triple-screen digital instrument cluster, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and a surround-view camera system that makes parking this 45-foot giant considerably less stressful than you might imagine. Now let us talk about what you came here to know: the price. The 2026 Prevost Marathon Motorhome is not for the faint of heart when it comes to the wallet. A new build starts at approximately $2.5 million for the base specification, and with the full custom options, roof deck, bespoke furniture, custom paint, extended technology packages, you are looking at anywhere between $2.8 and $3.5 million depending on your configuration. Marathon Coach builds each unit entirely to order, and the wait time for a new 2026 build is currently between 12 and 18 months. There are also pre-owned Marathon coaches available on the secondary market, with well-maintained examples from recent years typically ranging between $1.2 and $2 million depending on age, mileage, and specification. So there you have it, the 2026 Prevost Marathon Motorhome, fully reviewed from bumper to bumper. This is without question one of the most extraordinary vehicles that money can buy anywhere in the world today. It is the choice of touring musicians, professional athletes, A-list entertainers, and anyone who demands the absolute best in mobile living. That if you found this review helpful, please smash that like button, subscribe to MH Car Review for more content like this, and drop a comment below telling us, if money were no object, would you own one of these? We will catch you in the next one.